There's been a lot of the news lately about breast implants and breast implant safety. Yesterday, Allergan, a worldwide leader in breast implants and breast implant research, decided to withdraw several of its lines of implants from the market. This has been in response to extensive research and investigation that's gone into a very rare type of lymphoma. Now, this rare type of breast cancer has been found in about 550 cases worldwide over the last 10 years. So it's extremely rare, but it's something that concerns us all. Now, the risk of this cancer has been determined to be about 1 in 30,000 patients with breast implants. So it's extremely low, yet all the major governing bodies in medicine and plastic surgery have done extensive investigation into this issue. The FDA, the American Society of Plastic Surgery, the American Society of Aesthetic Plastic Surgery, the International Society of Aesthetic Plastic Surgery, and the Plastic Surgery Foundation have all released very clear investigations and position papers on this issue. None of those bodies has found that the risk is significantly high or even proven to the point where it is recommended to remove implants from the market, stop doing breast augmentation, change out old implants due to worry of cancer, etc. This move by Allergan is a very proactive move in a finding of a very weak association between their implants and this type of rare lymphoma. We applaud this proactivity. Even though the risk is so minimal, it does not appear to be zero. And this company's decision to withdraw the implants in their product because of the possible risk of any harm to patients, I believe should be applauded. Now, to put this in perspective, the risk of attaining this sort of lymphoma after a breast implant is 1 in 30,000. The risk of dying in a car crash is about 1 in 100. So that's a factor of 1 in 300 times less likely for that to happen. Breast implants are very safe. Breast implants are proven. 1.5 million patients a year get breast augmentation, with the vast majority achieving great results. That said, we will continue to be very cautious and careful on this issue.
The important thing right now is for the patients that have these implants is that the FDA does not recommend that you get them removed. So feel safe. And this is a moment that we need to understand and be aware of breast cancer in general, because 1 in 8 women will get breast cancer. Early detection is key. What is recommended is that you get a self-exam monthly, and it's important that you really know your breast so you can identify if there is any change and you can check with your physician. If you are older than 40, the recommendation is you get a yearly physician exam and a mammogram.
We understand that headlines out there that include the words breast implants and cancer have a lot of people worried and asking a lot of questions. I think we should be very comfortable with the data and the science that is driving all of the decision making in the government and the plastic surgery societies. Breast implants are safe. There's a very rare form of cancer that has been detected. Implants that are even faintly associated with that have been pulled from the market. And all the governing authorities feel that if those implants are currently in patients, the risk is so low that the risk of reoperation is actually higher than the risk of leaving them. Do your monthly exams, pay attention to your breasts. If you have any questions, contact our office and we'll be happy to discuss this further.